funny, brilliant. Oh, it was amazing, very funny. It was hilarious. We've laughed all the way through.
All the way through, they were just so funny, the lot.
I'm hurting all over from laughing so much.
First time coming and I can't get enough. My cheeks are hurting.
Everything is absolutely phenomenal. Really, really enjoying it.
It was amazing.
Oh, the costumes are fantastic.
The makeup is outstanding.
Absolutely brilliant costumes.
The Cher costume, that was brilliant.
The shower scene with the bubbles, that was absolutely fantastic.
Sister Act was really, really funny.
Absolutely full of energy. We really enjoyed every moment.
They've got to go and see it.
It's been fantastic.
And we'll be back.